Well, welcome back. My name is Tanner O'Brien with Benefit Marketing, and I wanted to share with you another free resource, free tool that can be helpful for you as a marketer, helpful for you as a business owner, or somebody that's looking to continue to write some emails and build some copy. So right here on the screen, I've got the benefitmarketing.com/free marketing tools. And I'll put the link in the description below. But I wanted to share with you the email nurture generator. So one of the things that we've noticed is sometimes it can get a little lost in the weeds when it comes to writing effective email nurture sequences. Maybe that's a three-step email sequence. Maybe that's beyond that, but being able to write that in the proper tone, the proper voice, things like that. So we've created a free tool for you. It's right here on the page. You're going to scroll down past our pricing tool. If you want to check this one out, there is another video on this one on the page. And the second one here is the email nurture campaign generator. So I'm just going to walk you through what this looks like here today. All right, so once we've kind of scrolled down here, you can build it right here within the window, or you can open a new window. Sometimes it can work a little bit better in the new window. So we'll go ahead and just type that in here, and let's call this company, oops, company XYZ. And let's just build some basic stuff in. So let's call this a consulting company, and the offer is going to be for a service, and our primary goal is going to be, let's say, brand awareness in this particular case. Choose the number of emails. So I want this to be, let's say, 5 emails over 7 days. Sounds good. Hit continue to discovery questions. Next, who is your target audience? It could be business to business, could be business to consumer. I think in this case, let's just go entrepreneurs and business owners. That sounds kind of fun. Preference on tone. You can choose from a few different things here. Let's go humorous and lighthearted. That sounds kind of exciting today. What are the audience main pain points or challenges? We'll keep this one pretty simple for the demo. Let's say it's they have issues with not enough time, not enough money, and challenges with team members. Pretty simple there. What makes the offer unique or valuable? Let's say we offer a guarantee of results. Cool. And what do we want this to be? So this is brand awareness. So let's say this is just download a resource as an example. We're just going to hit generate campaign. Going to have a recommended sequence style based on the input. It's going to say is story driven nurture. So let's go ahead and click that. And here we go. So it's going to give us all 5 of these particular things here. And you can, copy these, change them however you want to, but it's going to give you already a starting point. You can say here on day 0, that first email that's going to go out, here's an entire thing that's written out based on our responses. Hey, I looked at your looking to improve your whatever, and be able to kind of fill these particular things in, which is kind of cool. You can see there's email 2, email 3, email 4, email 5, all there for you. And then you can simply hit the export button and it will download all of these. You can also copy each one of them individually and save them or put them into your CRM, that sort of thing, to be able to send them out. Beyond that, you can send us some ways to help us improve. How does this reflect your voice and messaging? What would you like to see a little bit more to? Any comments, things like that. And that helps us continue to improve on our end and make the model better. But this is a free tool for you. There's no opt-in, anything else like that. So hopefully you enjoy and are able to use this to create some pretty cool email nurture sequences for you and your business.